Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I've got my first Trendsend box to share with you. I don't know why I waited so long to try Trendsend. It's sitting right over here. So I've seen so many other YouTubers receive some awesome Trendsend boxes. One of the things that I really love about Trendsend from what I've seen is that they send you outfits that coordinate and kind of go together. I really like that, and a lot of you guys have told me that's why you want to do style boxes, or that's why you do style boxes. So I'm so excited because they put together some cute outfits. I do have a question though, for those of you that do Trendsend, how do you pick your store? I just, we have an evereve store that's not too far from here. And so I just picked that store. I didn't know what else to pick. Like, what would make you pick a certain store? Let me know below if there's a secret to that. All right, we're digging into my box. Are you ready? Hang on one second. Okay, so I have to tell you that I really like, if you're one that likes styling tips, they put a little paragraph, a little blurb under each outfit and how you can really style the pieces. So if you're one that likes that, Trendsend is a good box for it. All right, I'm liking it so far. So this first outfit is not a Kayla outfit, but it's pretty cute. I think on the right person, it would be absolutely adorable. The first top is by the brand LNA. It's the split neck pocket tank in gold, size large, $84. Yikes, $84. Oh, it's 100% cotton. I like the split neckline. I don't like this pocket. I keep looking at this pocket. I'm like, oh, it's in a terrible spot. And I don't like that it's a different color than the top. That's just me. The armholes are a bit big. I like the length of this top. I do like the actual color of this top. I think it's very pretty. It's one that you could wear now and transition into fall, but $84 for a cotton tank, I'm good. All right, let me show you the back of this top. All right, so they said to pair this top with the pants. The pants I have mixed feelings about. Like, a part of me is like, oh, those are so trendy and fun, and a part of me is like, oh God, those are terrible. Let me grab the sheet so I can tell you what they are. And I may turn the camera down. I'm gonna back up so you can see the whole outfit together, and if we need to, I'll turn the camera down. So these are by Allison. They are the Whitney striped pant, black beige combo, size large, $88, 100% rayon. I may, I don't know. I may surprise myself and like these, I'm not sure. So they do have an elastic band here. They're very flowy. Now let me show you something. Whoa, look at that. That's the part I don't like. I think that if they were just a regular flowy pant without the slit, then I would like them. But I mean, I'm showing a lot of leg. I mean, I guess you wouldn't if you moved. It would just really show the bottom. I'll back up so you can see. So they do have a wide leg, and see, when I move, you're just really seeing the slit maybe from my knee down from what I'm seeing. What do you think? I'm gonna turn the camera down so we can see them closer. Let me show you the back of them though. They're kind of fun, but I just don't know. All right, hang on, let me turn the camera down. I don't know if I'd pay $88. I'm not sure, hang on. Okay, so here they are a little bit closer up. See, I do like the pattern of them and I like the style. I just am concerned about the slit, but I guess when I move, you're really not seeing much above the knee. I think they're kind of fun. Am I being totally crazy here? Lexi left the room, so I might be crazy. I don't know. Maybe they're too much of a wide leg. You can tell me, you can be honest. Let me know. But I kind of think they're fun. The note said it's like a beachy kind of vibe, and it's right. It's a great beachy look. They'd be very comfortable for the beach. All right, I'm gonna change into outfit number 2. Okay, how come nobody told me I had something crazy going on with my bun in the first outfit? It was hair sticking up, trying on too many clothes. So unfortunately, I messed up. Yep, Kayla made a mistake. And I don't know what happened. I must have been going through my style profile so quickly. And because I'm they sent me the wrong size jeans. They're too small. I held them up. I'm like, wait, I can't put these on. Okay. I clicked that I was a 12. Yeah, no, I'm not a 12. I need a 16. I did see if I can exchange, and in one of the pairs, they do have a size 16. So if I can't try them on. So I may go to the store and see if they have them and try them on because they're cute. Anyway, that's why I can't show you the pants for the next 2 outfits. So I'm so sorry. My fault. Yep. I take the blame. Next time I fix my sizes, don't worry, so we won't have any issues. My tops, I picked the right size. I don't know what happened. I don't know. Okay, now, so the top for outfit number 2 is by Peyton Jensen. It's the Cory tie-dye pullover. It's in a large, $68 and 72% cotton, 28% polyester. This top is really cute. And my note, I said I wanted to try something in the tie-dye trend. What do you think? But does it look too much like a cow? I'm kind of looking at it and I'm like, ooh, it kind of gives me some cow vibes. What do you think though? I think it's pretty cute. I like the length of it. I have it on with just my white shorts. I like the sleeve length of it. The sleeve length hits me perfectly. It does have like the stitching up top here at the collar. And I hope you can see it. Yeah, you can kind of see it. It almost has some like yellow, very, very subtle pink. So it's not just the dark, it has in the white background some of the other lighter colors mixed in. I think it's a fun look. What do you think? It'd be good for now in the summertime at night on colder nights. Wear it with black shorts. Yeah, let me show you the back of it. I think it's cute. Is it worth $68? Let me know. All right, now let me talk about the jeans. So the jeans are by Good American. Now I have a pair of Good American jeans from, I think, my trunk. Yeah, it was from my trunk. And they're worth every single penny I paid for them. So if these fit me, I would have considered it. They're $165. Let me get the sheet. So these are the Good Waist crop jean and they're $165. But you know, my first pair was worth every single penny. I loved, and I still love, my Good American jeans. I pull for them a lot. So I like the wash of them. They paired it with this top. Here, we can kind of see how it would look. Hang on. See? I don't know if I'd wear, oh, maybe it would look cute with the lighter colored denim. They're just kind of a plain denim. Nothing that I can see. Oh, there's a little bit of distressing here near the pocket. But other than that, I don't really see, they're very clean cut denim except for that. So yeah, I do like the wash of them. They are cute. And like I said, they are worth, like my Good American jeans are worth every single penny. I don't regret it at all. Yep. Anyway, so can't show them to you on, I'm sorry. Okay, we're gonna move on to outfit number 3. Okay, so for outfit number 3, I was able to get the jeans on. They do fit, but they're snug. So if I were to keep these, I'd want to size up. Let's talk about them. So let's start with the top first, actually. So the top, animal print, Trendsend, knowing me already. So the Z Supply Sia Animal Tank in wash black, extra large, $44, 72% cotton and 28% polyester. I think this is adorable. I love that it has like the zebra print mixed with the leopard or cheetah print. Yeah, how cute is that? What do you think? The only thing that I don't know if I like, there's a couple of darker spots throughout, and I don't know if they just draw attention to the wrong area. It's very comfortable. It's very soft. I do like the style of it a lot. What do you think? Total Kayla top, huh? Trendsend gets 2 thumbs up for knowing my style. All right, I'm gonna show you the back of it. Now, I have my regular bra on. You could wear a regular bra. I have those, what do you call them? Those adjusters? Maybe they're not called adjusters. Help me out. They pull your bra strap together in the back. So you can wear your regular bra, but because it's a racer back style, it holds them. Let me show you so you know what I'm talking about, okay? I'll show you the back of the tank. So I think it's cute. I'm on the fence. It would look cute. It looks cute with these. They had me pair them with these, but with black pants or with black shorts, even red. I'm loving the black and red lately too. So I think it's really cute. I think it's a fun top. Let's talk about these denim. I like these denim a lot. Although they are snug, cut from the cloth kind of stretches sometimes. I'm gonna talk about them from here and then I'll turn the camera down so you can see the cute hemline. So let me grab the sheet to talk about them. So these are by, cut from the cloth like I said, and they are the, what were they? The Connie high rise skinny, and they're in a size 14. I am normally a 16. They do have them available, so if I wanted to, I could size up. $89. All right, so the waistline, more of like a high rise, I'd say, which I do like. I like the darker wash of these. They don't really have any distressing in them except here at the knee, just a tiny bit. The bottom is so cute. The bottom has like the frayed hemline and it's cut a little bit up. So cute. I'm gonna back up so you can see the whole outfit. But I don't think you're gonna be able to see until I turn the camera down the cute hemline. They're like a frayed hemline. This is the outfit. This is outfit number 2. Nope, 3. I'm losing track. So I think it's cute. Let me show you the back of the jeans. All right, and Cut from the Cloth does stretch. They do. All right, let me turn the camera down. Let's talk about the jeans a little bit more. Okay, can you see the cute fraying at the ankle? So it kind of cuts in a little bit at the top of the jeans. Not the top, you know what I mean? Like the front, and then the back is a little bit longer, but it's all frayed. Can you see that? I love the frayed hemline. Oh, what do you think about them? I really like them. I like Cut from the Cloth too. I have it on with just my black Michael Kors wedges, so I could wear it like this too, like this outfit. What do you think? I will, during the recap, hold the jeans up so you could see what I'm talking about closer up with the hemline because they're very cute. Oh, I may need these. All right, I know I don't need any more blue denim, but you know what? When I find a pair of denim that I love, it's very hard for me to pass these up. These are unique. I don't own anything with this kind of hemline, so I may need them. Maybe. All right, I've got one more thing to show you. Hang on. Okay, last item is a dress. It's by the brand Peyton Jensen. It's the Bennett multi-stripe dress. Extra large, $39.99, and not a bad price. 97% rayon, 3% spandex. I love the colors of this dress. When I pulled it out of the box, I didn't know if I would care for this dress. This dress feels so soft and so comfortable. This would be an easy wear summer dress, but I can also think about putting a black cardigan over this dress and bringing it into the fall with some cute black booties. You know, you could even put black tights with this dress, a black cardigan, the black booties, carry it into fall like I just said. I have it on again with my Michael Kors wedges just because I had them handy, and I like to wear wedges, especially in the summertime, to work. This dress comes right above my knee, so if you're taller than I am, I'm only 5'2", so if you're taller than I am, this dress would come even shorter. I'm actually happy with this length. I think it's a nice length. I don't know what it is lately, but I like the black background with like the brighter pops of color. What do you think? I love the blue. I'm like I have much hair to put behind my hair. I saw the little frizz and it drove me crazy. Yeah, I like the black with the blues. What do you think? I think I like it. I'm surprised. I did not think I was gonna like this dress. Does it kind of take me in a little bit here too? That would be a plus. I would keep that dress this dress for sure if it did that. Sometimes stripes can be tricky, I know, but I think this one works. You'll have to let me know. Be nice. Sometimes I have to tell you guys, be nice, all right? Be honest, but be nice. Okay, let me show you the back. I like it. I think it's very cute. But yeah, I mean, I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I'm pleasantly surprised. I love the color. Can you see it's kind of got some ribbing detail? Do you see that? Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, I like it. I think they're fun summer colors. All right, let me know what you think. I'm gonna change and we'll do a recap. Okay, so I thought this was a really awesome first box for my Trendsend box. What did you think? So I want to show you this. I promised I'd show you. Look at the fun detail on the ankle. I love that detail on both of the ankles. I think, yeah, it's unique. I don't own anything like it. So I think I'm gonna see if I could size up. Actually, I know I can, I checked. So I think these are gonna be keepers, and I think I have 2 or 3 other keepers. Now with Trendsend, you get 10% off if you keep 4 or more items. I'm loving this dress. The Peyton Jensen dress. I really love this dress. There's something about it, you know, it pleasantly surprised me. I'm like, oh, and the material, I wish you could feel it. It's so soft. also really liked, surprise, surprise, the animal print top. I haven't watched back yet, so I may change my mind, but I love the animal print top too. And I don't know, I thought this was kind of fun. And I don't own much tie-dye, you know that. I'm just kind of dipping my feet into the tie-dye trend, getting my feet wet, you know. But I kind of like this one. Let me know. So if I were to keep 4, I think these were the 4 I would keep. The striped pants, I watched that back. Nope, they just did not flatter me. Maybe I could size up, but I just wasn't, I don't know, for $88, I don't think so. I think I might keep these 4. Let me know what you think. Am I kind of crazy? You could tell me that. But anyway, this was so much fun. I'm going to get another Trendsend. Yep, I totally am. All right, thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you soon for another clothing video.